Hello, friends out there. You all are welcome to yet another session for product knowledge. I am Greg Atakbu, a proud forever business owner. Now, what I want to share with us today is one of our amazing products. I've been using it and I will keep on using it because of the benefit that I'm enjoying from it, the health benefit. Now, some time ago, I discussed with a friend about this particular product. He thought I was joking because he's suffering from rashes behind his head. And I told him, I said, look, your body is lacking some vitamin minerals that can really take care of all of these rashes. And he said, are you sure, Greg? I said, yes, of course. And then I introduced this product to him. And what is this product? Forever Nation. Forever Nation is an amazing product for everybody. You don't need to maybe have one health issue before you start thinking about giving to your body minerals. The vitamins cannot really function well, can never be absorbed properly without the presence of minerals. Now, this Forever Nation is an advanced multi-mineral formula that provides minerals and trace minerals in a perfectly balanced ratio essential for it to work effectively. Everybody needs this product. You know, sometimes I always want to imagine what could be responsible for people not wanting to give to the body the best of nature. The goodness of creation. Now, these special seabed minerals provides all of the elements found in the human body. Can you imagine? All of the elements found in your body is here. And if there's a depletion, you can always replace with you giving to your body Forever Nation. It is highly needed for the proper composition of body fluids, formation of blood and bones, the maintenance of healthy nerve function. Now let me tell you something. When you stool much, you give out a lot of minerals, and these minerals must be replaced. So there are a lot of reasons for us to take Nation. I've been using it for years now, and I'm enjoying the ongoing benefit of this amazing product. It's very beneficial for the regulation of muscle tone, including the muscle of the cardiovascular system. Your cardiovascular health is very vital. Nation supports cardiovascular health. Now, it equally aids the body to function at peak level, including energy production, growth, and healing. In fact, it's a must take. It is very essential for the proper utilization of vitamins and other nutrients. The Forever Nation can do much for us in helping to take in 100% absorption of vitamins and other vital nutrients. I've been using it for years. My family, same. So what are you out there waiting for? It is always good to be kind to your body. It is always good to love your body by giving to your body what the body needs. All of the cells of your body needs the appropriate minerals for proper utilization of vitamins and nutrients. This is mine. I take it every day. For you to get in yours is very simple. You can always identify with us at Amazing Life Care Center in Bakery Complex, just close to Wetland Hotel and the Morpho Park. And you can always reach out to whoever that may share this video with you. Thank you as you listen to this. But then I want you to equally help to share this video. You can equally click on the like button and also place your comment in the comment box.